Good morning everyone. I am Shalini from Manakula Vinayagar Institute of Technology. As I am part of Garnishing talent program, I feel privileged to attend the session on Industry 4.0 by Dr. Raju, who is serving as assistant professor at NIT Puducherry, also who is recognized among the world's top 2% global scientists. The session clearly explained the journey from Industry 1.0 to 4.0 and how technologies like AI, IoT, robotics, AR or VR and 3D printing is transforming industries. The live VR AR demo was especially exciting and gave us practical insights. Listening to Dr. Raju's research experiences and challenges is truly inspiring and motivated us to keep learning and innovating. Overall, it was highly engaging and eye-opening session that made us prepare for the future of Industry 5.0. I sincerely thank all the organizers for giving me the valuable opportunity to interact with such an eminent personality and gain knowledge to shape our career. Thank you.